All right, so what we're going to be talking about is the map function on an array. So what the map function does is it iterates over every value in the array, and you can do whatever you want to that value, and it's going to return it into a new array. But the deal is it's going to return back the exact same length of an array. So you can't reduce it, you can't add to it, it's going to be the same length. But the values inside of it can be changed to whatever you want. All right, so let's play around with it and see what we can do. All right, open up our document here. All right, let's do something simple. So we're going to do const array equals an array of 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to map over this, and we're going to double each one of the values inside of it. So we're going to say const double array equals this array dot map. And it takes a function that's going to be called on each of the values. We're going to say value, and we're going to return the value times 2. All right, and we're going to console log out the array, the original array, and we're going to console log the new array that we created, double array. Sweet. So over here you see 1, 2, 3. That's our original array, and the doubled array is 2, 4, 6. So what's neat is the original array was preserved, nothing changed on it, and the new array is the exact same length, and it's our doubled values. All right, let's do something a little bit more fun with it. So doubling values is cool, but let's make a math spreadsheet of, it'll show like 1 times 2 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 4. So let's go ahead and make that. All right, so we still want to use this array here. And next, double array is cool, but we're going to say this is going to be our element array because we're going to insert new elements into this unordered list up here. So let's actually get a reference to that list as well. So const ul element equals document dot query selector, and we're going to go ahead and get that unordered list. All right. So what we're going to do here is instead of returning back just this times value, we're going to do a string that we want to return. String inside of a li element. So let's create the li element. So const li element equals document dot create element, and we're going to say this is an li. And then the li element dot inner text is going to equal. We're going to do some fancy string interpolation, and we're going to do $sign value times 2, just for visuals, and that equals the value times 2. All right, cool. And so we're going to return back that li element. All right, so we're going to have a list of li elements, and actually it's not going to look very pretty. We'll see what that looks like. Li, not very helpful, but they're elements. Okay, cool. So now we need to put those onto the page. So we're going to run another prototype method that an array has called for each. So the for each method is awesome. It doesn't return a new array. It just iterates on each one of the values inside the array. So you can do whatever you want from there. What we're going to do is we're going to iterate on each of them and insert them as a child to the unordered list elements. So it's just going to loop through and inject them inside of here. All right, so let's do that. So we're going to take the element array dot for each, and what we get, and there is no return on a for each method either. Map values do need to return a value. So the element array, so we're going to get the element, which is, we could be a little bit more specific. It's the li element, and we have that unordered element above, unordered element dot append child, the li element. That. Okay, cool. All right, let's save that. And there you go. You get 1 times 2 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, and 3 times 2 equals 6. Awesome. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.